Hi guys. So there are two type of students. How to study, how to plan your day. Fine, that's the main agenda now. For those who are going for CAT 21, yeah, how to plan your study. Okay, so there are two kind of students, type A and type B. There are two strategy, main strategy. There are many way to do. There are two main strategy which you can follow. Fine. Working, non-working, I'll try to cover up all these things. Strategy number A is a brilliant strategy. Is I want to work Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday यहाँ से निकाल देते हैं. Sunday the last day. Fine. One day I'm doing maths. One day I'm doing verbal. Okay, alternate day. Best strategy. One day I do quant. One day I do verbal. Quant, verbal, quant, verbal, and one day off. So Sunday is my holiday. So Sunday is a holiday. I'll pray to God, I'll give a mock, I'll give a test. आगे जाके we'll give one mock every day. अरे मेरी जान इंग्लिश कहाँ गया? अरे वर्बल इंग्लिश, लंबी लंबी सांसें लो. क्वांट क्वांट वर्बल भाई ने बोला इसमें वर्बल किधर है? ठीक है, इसमें इंग्लिश किधर है? इंग्लिश आएगा. सब करेंगे. रुको रुको रुको. I can't study maths every day. I get bored. So the day you get bored, I'll do DI. Yeah, the day you are bored, we'll do DI. The day you are bored with verbal, we are doing logic. कर रहे हैं भाई, सब करेंगे, सब ऐड करेंगे. ठीक है, सो वी डूइंग एवरीथिंग. हाँ, तो चश्मा निकालो, आइस को रगड़ो, चश्मा वापस डालो. अरे लॉजिक देखेगा. ओ माय गॉड, आ गया लॉजिक, ये देखो. Alright, so alternative, that's a brilliant strategy. So all those who are working, this strategy works. Okay, this strategy works. Those are working, those are calling, or those who can't spend too much time. So this is a 2 to 3 hours every day. उसमें क्या करना है, you can decide. I can do quant, I can do within quant, ये करना है, वो करना है. ठीक है. So CAT 21, CET 22, this is your strategy. All right. Pure CET 21 का strategy I'll talk in a separate lecture. Okay. This is for CAT 21 for the complete 1 year long-term plan, which is not that long. Ideal time per day 2 to 3 hours. I just took an interview of a guy who is working as well, who studies 2 hours every day in the morning and 2 hours every day in the evening. Superb. If you can do that, guys, you are right now sitting in the lockdown. So please use that time. All your lectures, everything is online. So you can save that time. Okay. 2 3 hours apart from lecture. वाह बेटा वाह. सर 2 घंटे तो मैं क्लास में आ जाता हूँ बस, मतलब मैं तो हो रहा है ना बेटा क्लास के अलावा. 2 hours on and beyond your classes. ये सही है साला, सारा बिल हमारे पड़ेगा तो. Okay, strategy number 1, brilliant strategy for working people, it works. Second is a strategy type B student. I want to cover up everything of everything. Okay, strategy number 1 में what I can do is I can take a weekday off. Now those who are working, I don't recommend taking a Sunday off. Sunday you have to study. You can take a Thursday, Wednesday off. So Wednesday is like a new weekend. This is, by the way, my strategy. I'm using this strategy for a long time now. Why to have only Saturday, Sunday as weekend? Let's enjoy Wednesday also as weekend. तो पिज ऑर्डर कर दिया, पार्टी कर दिया, जूस पी लिया. So I enjoy that. I do that. Wednesday is a new weekend. Okay. All right. Second strategy, which is another way to work on that. Okay, I want to spend in a particular day, in the same day, I want to spend more time. For example, I'll do quant also, I'll do verbal also, I'll do DI also, DLR also. I want to do that. Superb. You can do that. Okay, this strategy works for those who have taken the gap year, those who are not working. Fine. Come here. Yes, you can start with the mocks. You can give one mock every 15 days. Start with the baby mocks. You can start in the mocks. I am more worried about the mocks in August, September. These two are the main month when I should be giving a mock every week. Okay. Then last 2 months, October, November, will increase the number of mocks. Okay. All right. So daily quant, verbal, DLR. Now Here, my first target is to complete the syllabus. So every day, one chapter, two chapter, one chapter, one chapter. I'll complete everything. For example, I'm not working at all. I start with 2 hours, 2 hour, 1 hour. You can do that. Aram se you can do that. In fact, those who are not working, those who have taken the gap, college, no job. This strategy will super flop. This super flop strategy, those are sitting at home. Why? Because आप किताब तो खोल लेते हो लेकिन टाइम पास होता है, बहुत बहुत टाइम पास होता है. You get bored यार. I get bored after 2-3 hours. It's like you're watching the same movie for 6 hours. 6 घंटे मूवी देख के बोर हो जाओगे यार. Okay, this is a wonderful strategy. 2 घंटा मैथ्स that you can increase 2 to 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, 1 to 2 hours. That number of hours you can change. Okay. Yes, this is like I am watching in the morning. My motivation level is high. I'm watching a movie, भाग मिल्खा भाग. ठीक है, शाम को पापा मम्मी साथ में आ गए तो वे आर वॉचिंग अ फैमिली मूवी लाइक राधे. रात का टाइम, रात को 12 बजे का जो टाइम है वो भाई हमारा अपना पर्सनल चैनल देखेगा, बागबान देखेगा, एग्जैक्टली तारे जो जमीन पे देखेगा, एग्जैक्टली ऑल दिस थिंग्स. You can't watch the same movie all day. Yeah. So according to the time, you have to change that. What is your favorite time to study? What is your favorite time? Fine. Suppose maths is my weakest area. Maths is my weakest area. What morning, suppose night is my favorite. I'll give you my example. Night time used to be my favorite time to study. And I used to study maths. Yeah. Maths is my strong area. I used to study maths at my strong time in the night. उससे होता क्या था? I used to love only maths. I used to study only maths. यार, I used to come home at approximately 9 p.m. So my target was to study from 10 to 1 a.m. 10 to 12 maths and 12 to 1 used to be verbal. 10 to 12 I used to rock. एकदम मैथ्स अपन कानों में पप्पू लगाए, पप्पू नहीं क्या बोलते उसको यार, अरे तुम लोग क्या बोलते हो, हेडसेट, सॉरी हेडसेट्स, आई एम सॉरी, headsets lagaya, and then I can study maths all night. Then 12 to 1 I used to study English. And the moment verbal start, I was like my start sleeping by 12:30 I used to be dead. So what I'm recommending myself, if I would have done the same thing again, maths is your favorite area, do ulta, do your weak area at your favorite time, and do your favorite area at your weak time. For example, fine, we have a day off. अभी कोई holiday आ रहा है क्या? For example, today is August 15th. August 15th, the holiday. I want to chill. I want to enjoy my. I want to study. Sorry, ulta. I plan to study that day, but that day my dad is off on a holiday. My family is on a holiday. You will end up enjoying. Fine. So on the favorite day, because it's a favorite day, do your favorite topic. Do logic. Because logic is something I can study even if the match is on. Suppose India Pakistan finally is going on, I can study maths. Why? Because maths is my favorite topic. तो जब पढ़ने का मन ना हो, when you don't want to study, study your favorite topic. Like in the evening time. For me, evening time is the worst time to study, especially खाने के बाद or evening time. So at that time, study your favorite topic when you don't want to study. And weak area in your favorite time. Do not give your favorite time to the strong area because that topic is already strong. Guys, in the last 1 week, I've taken more than 15 interviews of all the toppers. And everybody said the same thing. I worked on my weak area, improved my weak area, improved my weak area. That's a common thing. Okay, working people, this is a strategy. Or you can do a hybrid. Like I can't do 3 topics every day. I can do 2 topics every day. So I'll do 2 hours of quant and 1 hour of verbal, then exchange, then interchange. You can't do 1 topic. In 3 hours, you can do 20 questions only. That's a very good point. Yeah, this is one fundamental people do one fundamental mistakes. There are few of the topic like numbers, like geometry. ये भाई कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाला. This topic is never ending. Fine. Numbers का topic, you can spend 1 week, You can spend 1 month, you can spend 1 year, you can ratios percentage you can still do, yaar. Numbers geometry is incomplete. Okay, now, so what I recommend is don't spend. Let's break the topic into part. Like geometry is angles, triangles, and circles. I'm trying to reduce the topic into 3 topics: angle, triangle, and circle. Do only 3 topics. Okay. And my simple advice is for the weekly time. भाई तुम सब छोड़ दो, आप सिर्फ वीकली टाइम टेबल पे आ जाओ. इट्स माई रिक्वेस्ट, हाथ जोड़ के. नहीं तो मेरा डंडा मेरे को आज मिल नहीं रहा, नहीं तो ये बोतल सर पे आएगी. मैं आपको पहले रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि भाई तुम टाइम टेबल पे आ जाओ, वीकली टाइम टेबल पे. I have planned your year in such a way that all your timetable, all the topics are covered in this timetable. Fine. For example, I have broken down. Now, for example, probability we are doing this weekend. There are 4 lectures on probability. Probability की अगर बात करो, चलो let's talk about that only. Probability is so deep, but we can still divide them into 4 main parts. Bag का example, you have to pick up the ball from the bag. Coin, dice, and cards. There are 4 main topics: bags, coins, dice, and cards. So I want to cover this in 4 separate lectures. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. It will take you 4 days ka time. Fine. So in 3 hours, you can't complete the full chapter. You can complete bags in 3 hours. Yeah, you can't complete geometry. How can you complete geometry in 3 hours? I can do 20 questions. Working people, you are working, you are not working. I don't care. मुझे ये टॉपिक खत्म चाहिए ये हफ्ते में. अगले हफ्ते आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दीज टॉपिक्स. यू नो व्हाट पब्लिक द प्रॉब्लम क्या अपना, वी हैव द हाउसवाइफ प्रॉब्लम. हाउसवाइफ प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है मैं आपको समझाता हूँ, ठीक है, वो बाद में करेंगे बात. तो ये आप, दिस इज द टाइम टेबल फॉर वर्किंग पीपल एंड फॉर द नॉन वर्किंग पीपल. ठीक है, टाइम टेबल, अपना टाइम टेबल बनाओ. गाइस, ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन आई हैव ओनली वन रिक्वेस्ट फॉर यू, प्लीज मेक टाइम टेबल. This is my request to everyone. अपना main fundamental problem in this lockdown is I get ready. I take a shower in the morning. Shower क्यों लिया? Because मम्मी ने, डैडी ने बम्बू दिया था, तो मैंने शावर ले लिया. नहीं तो भाई हमारा इंजीनियर कहाँ नहाता आजकल. It's a waste of time. Okay, so make a timetable and you will rock. Trust me. हाँ, जिनका सिलेबस खत्म हो चुका है, what they can do, they can then pick up. Yes, daily 2 DI, daily 2 RCs. Yes, you can do that after you have understood the complete timetable. टाइम नहीं जमता फॉलो करने, भैया वही तो बनाना है. आधा भी कर लो तो भाई बहुत है. See, that's why we moving to 1 lecture every day. That's why we have a every day lecture, so that in case you miss any lecture, इधर दिल पे लगना चाहिए कि ओ शिट मेरा आज का लेक्चर मिस हुआ. होता कि नहीं होता? मोस्ट ऑफ द कोचिंग क्लास, इवन वी अर्लियर द लेक्चर उसी हफ्ते में 3 दिन. उस दिन कभी बैठा है नहीं बैठा फील नहीं आता है. जिस दिन लेक्चर छूटेगा ना उस दिन दिल पे लगेगी. वो लगना वो मैं चाहता हूँ. दैट्स व्हाई वी कीपिंग अ लेक्चर एवरी डे. अब अगर आप देखो ना, अगर वेडनेसडे इज ओनली 1 आवर का लेक्चर एंड संडे दैट्स ओनली 1 आवर, बट मिस होगा तो वो बंबू आना चाहिए. वो बंबू बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, that's why I want to keep you involved. So this is a weekly timetable for this week. And to sweeten up the deal, what we are doing is we're giving 1 t-shirt every weekend. So Kritika ma'am will announce the winner of every t-shirt. ठीक है, मैं उसमें नहीं आता, I'm not involved. She will look at your targets. If you achieve your targets, she will do that. Okay, Harsh will talk about that later on. All right, चलेगा. What is a good time to leave your job? मुझे तुम अक्षय, मुझे जुलाई में तुम घर पे चाहिए. जुलाई अगस्त में आके तुम घर पे आ जाओ. Is enough time to cover. All right. And in case you want to join our program, you can call the numbers given here. वो तो by default मैं बोलता ही हूँ. Bye bye.